They had a Jamie Winston jersey card at a 125. And also the Buccaneers won a spot in a free case break. All right, it's 10 o'clock p.m. Central Time. This is Monsterbreaker out of Green Bay, Wisconsin. Here we go. We got a 4-box 2014 Triple Threads. Let's get them all into the mini boxes right away. All right, down to the mini boxes. 8 mini boxes. And here we go. Good luck, everyone. Tony Romo, 51 of 399. What's with the question marks? You already did 2015 Inception. Demarius Moore, number 7 of 199. Big triple jersey of Ronnie White for the Falcons. Triple jersey, 2 colors. Number 19 of 36. Triple jersey. You got a Jamie Winston jersey card out of 125. And also the Buccaneers won a spot in our free case break that is on September 29th. So, autographed jersey of Kadeem Carey for the Bears. Autographed jersey for the Kadeem Carey for the Bears. Number 38 of 50. Ah. Ryan Tannehill, Rodney White, and Andre Johnson. Des Bryant, number 327 of 399. Percy Harvin, number 23 of 50. Same thing, if you do not get a card, we send out a hobby pack. Cleo Mack, big chunk of jersey for the Raiders. Cleo Mack for the Raiders, 54 of 99. We got a redemption. AJ McCarron, base rookie auto relic. AJ McCarron for the Bengals. Redemption. Bernard Pierce, Aaron Rodgers, and Benton Jackson. Sheldon Richardson, 23 of 399. Matt Ryan, 102 of 199. For Pierre Thomas for the Saints. Nice patch. 23 PT touchdown. Right in the middle is a nice patch. Number 3 of 9. 3 of 9 for the Saints. They say, come on, Saints, and bam. Come on, Colts, and it's a Jets. Autographed jersey. Chase Amaro. Autographed jersey for the Jets. 23 of 75. Eddie Lacy, Julio Jones, and Julie Edelman. Cecil Short, number 150 of 399. Let's try it again. Randall Cobb, number 41 of 50. For the Bengals, AJ McCarron, jersey card for the Bengals, number 20 of 75. Ooh, White Whale for, gotta turn around, Steve Johnson, I think. Steve Johnson for the Bills, 101. Steve Johnson for the Bills, 101 White Whale. Look at that, multi colors. Beautiful. Nice. That's a beauty. Matt Forte, Ndamukong Suh, and AJ Green. Julio Jones, number 7 of 399. Tony Romo, number 82 of 199. For the Lions, Reggie Bush, nice 3 colors in the middle. Triple jersey for the Lions, number 13 of 27. 13 of 27. Nice. Devontae Adams for the Packers. Devontae Adams for the Packers. Autographed jersey. Autographed jersey. Number 10 of 50. Yes, I do. There are some nice ones tonight. Ace Sanders, Jamal Charles, and Arian Foster. T.Y. Hilton, number 20 of 399. There's a Colts, but not what you want. Brian Matthews, number 48 of 99. Taj Boyd, jersey card for the Jets, number 35 of 75. Taj Boyd, jersey card for the Jets. Another redemption of Cleo Mack for the Raiders, base rookie auto relic emerald parallel for the Raiders. Cleo Mack for the Raiders. Mike Glennon, Des Bryant, and RG3. About some 49ers. And some Yankees. Oh, if I pull any Yankees out of here, oh, don't know. Drew Brees, number 256 of 399. I would too. Eddie Lacy for the Packers, 28 of 199. And we got a triple jersey, but it's for the Falcons. We got Ronnie White, Devontae Freeman, and Julio Jones, number 8 of 9. 8 of 9. Triple jersey for the Falcons. Nice, cool, and cool. For the Jaguars, Marquise Lee, autograph, number 8 of 65. Marquise Lee, autograph for the Jaguars. Kelvin Johnson, Randall Cobb, and Robert Quinn. And last but least, box. It's a fatty too. Feels pretty fat. Maybe we'll get another playbook. Or a booklet as they call it. Ryan Matthews, 144 at 399. Brian Hartland, number 35 and 99. Jordan Matthews, jersey card for the Eagles, 26 of 50. Jordan Matthews, jersey card for the Eagles. Oh, it is a booklet. Look at that. Auto Relic Pairs booklet card. Let's see. We pumped. Woo! Johnny Manziel jersey auto. Blake Bortles autographed jersey. Number 1, 2, 3 colors for Blake Bortles. Single colors for Johnny. Let's see. This will be randomized. Woo! That is crazy. That is a beauty. Colin Kaepernick, Eli Manning, and Robert Matthews. All right. Just want to keep that right there. All right. We got the Random spot for the case break. Let's get that out of the way. 10 times. All teams have a chance for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The team on top is the Ravens. So 04 Tribe 930, 935. 10 times. Ravens are moving on to the free case break. Oh, yeah, 1 second. And it's not numbered on the back. Number 3 of 18. 3 of 18. So that's 5 minus 2 is 3. Oh. So we got, type in Browns, Jaguars. Let's roll the dice and 12 times. Oh, geez, just take it right to the max. We're already in enough suspense. Now it's going to take it all the way to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And the winner is the Jaguars. The Jaguars. So that is Oak Black 86. 12 times. You won. The booklet autograph, dual jersey of Johnny Manziel and Blake Bortles. Beautiful. Number 3 of 18. Woo. All right, that's it for Monster Breaker tonight. Everybody have a good, safe weekend, and see you on Monday. So, thank you very much, and have a good night. You are welcome.